See these little yellow flowers? Flowers in February. See, little yellow flowers. Those are winter aconite. Winter aconite. I honestly don't recall ever seeing them before. First time for everything. Spring's coming. I love that sound. It means spring's coming. It's gonna freeze up again, but we got a February thaw, and the woods knows. The woods knows that spring is gonna be coming soon. It's a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing to be able to see every year. Just think how lucky you are if you can get outside and see the first signs of spring coming. There was the yellow aconite flowers, but there's not really solid signs of spring. Not yet. Although a crocus came up in my front yard, but it froze to death, I think, after that. But oh my gosh, it feels so good to be in the woods. So good to be in the woods. A lot of times in February, it's impassable in here, and it's not. It's beautiful. And this is going to be, oh, just full of spring flowers, and butterflies, and birdies. It's going to be beautiful. All sorts of little green shoots and things coming up. And then by late summer, the monarch butterflies that take over this field, thousands of them. But not right now. Right now, the field is still sleeping. There's some boxes around here for the birds when they come. Gonna go look at the heron rookery. Don't expect there's gonna be anybody there. They'd be nuts. They'd be crazy birds if they were here, but we're gonna go look. We're just gonna get a feel for it before we come back and try to watch the first herons coming into nest. There's nobody here yet. Well, there's some swans. There's nobody in the nests. Nobody at the heron rookery yet. Just some swans. Hi, there's a robin comes to say, hey, spring's coming. Can't get you. You see ya. There you are. Hi. What's it about? Well, you don't have to give me that side. Look at that. It's beautiful. Sometimes I just wish I could live in the woods forever. Until nighttime comes. Then I'd like a little cabin with a bed and a lamp. That's it. So Methuselah is the oldest tree, and it is in the Sierra Nevada range in California. And then you have the olive trees in the Garden Gethsemane that date back to about 1,000 years. But they think there's a lot of debate on how old they are. They think that some of them might have been around at the time of Christ because olive trees regenerate from their roots so easily. Methuselah, the one I said before that, that's about 4,000 something years old. And the oldest fossilized fossil tree forest, which isn't really a forest, right? It's like in the rocks, is in Schoharie County, New York. And, oh wow, there's a beautiful sunset and I'm missing it.